Hi, I'm Tammy. Today I'm making a Dark and Stormy. This is a tropical drink and it is delicious. So we're going to use some ginger beer and we're going to fill the glass. Woo! About a little bit more than halfway. There we go. We want this to look like a tropical storm. So I don't have glasses on. Can't really tell where this is hitting. There we go. All right, we're going to take some dark rum and we're going to float this on top. This rum is so heavy. Okay. Okay, we're going to just float it. On top. Takes a minute, especially with this bottle, because this bottle is so heavy. Okay. All right, there we go. Now, we're going to take a squeeze of lime. And then we're just going to take this little lime wheel and put it on top. And there we have a Dark and Stormy. All right, guys, now I get to drink it. This is always the best part. Cheers. So good. This is a tropical drink. It is delicious. You can taste the rum. The ginger beer gives it a nice, smooth finish. It is wonderful. You can drink this out by the pool or if you're on the boat. It's wonderful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers.